G'day Australia, Coram from Universalfuze here. I'm doing a quick little vid today to show you how quick and easy it is to install a Universalfuze plug and play amplifier into a late model Hilux. We've got the 2020 Hilux here. We have a few different plug and play amplifier options available. We do an Alpine 4-channel, a Focal 4-channel, Clarion mono. There's a new Pioneer processor amplifier coming out soon. We'll have a pack together for that. So we've got a few little options. Check out the website under the Hilux section, or flick us an email for, and we'll send you the list of options. But what I'm showing you here today is just how quick and easy it is to clip these in. Being plug and play, you don't really have to do much at all. So let me bring you into the vehicle here and show you what's going on. First thing you want to take out is the glove box. That just drops down, pops off the hinges. There's a couple of retainers either side you need to pop out, and then the glove box will drop down. Then you need to take off this panel, which sits under the factory head unit, and it literally pops straight off and is fastened only with clips, as you can see in behind the panel there. Now just gently and carefully drop that to the side. Now you'll see this great big cavity under the audio unit, and that's actually where our amplifier is going to sit. You need to then reach up into that cavity. Geez, it'd just be great if I had someone else holding the camera. Reach up into that cavity and unplug the main plugs out of the back of the head unit. Now I'll show you these. That's them two. That's the two main plugs out of the back of the head unit. I hope we got those in frame. Those plugs, to unplug them, you just have to press that little release clip at the top of the plug there to release it out of the back of the audio unit. Now what you do, once you've got those unplugged, they will simply plug into the plug and play component on the Universalfuze plug and play amplifier kit. So you can see we've got sockets there on one side and plugs on the other side. That easy. These two sockets will attach to the plugs that you've just unplugged, and then these two plugs will plug into the back of the head unit. Then you'll find the amplifier itself. This is the biggest of the kits that we do. The other ones are even smaller than this one, but the amplifier itself will fit into that cavity. You can then cable tie it down into place so that it doesn't wriggle around, and you just need to run the cable back to the subwoofer, which we're going to put in the back, and that's if you're using the mono amp. If it's the 4-channel amp upgrade, you don't need to run any extra cables anywhere. So we're putting a subwoofer in the back of this Hilux with this plug and play amplifier. We'll show you how to fit the subwoofer behind the seat in a separate video. We use a very clever little compact Clarion subwoofer which fits behind the seat, or we've got an awesome Focal pack as well, which has a Focal passive subwoofer which tucks in behind the back seat in the dual cab Hilux. So hit that subscribe button below and check out the other videos to get across that one. But we are literally almost done here on this job. We've just got to plug in those couple of plug and play harnesses, clip that main panel back on, and that's how easy it is to fit a plug and play amplifier upgrade from universalfuze.com into your 2020 Hilux.